George, today the date is the 23rd of October, and yesterday there was a huge breakthrough in the AI world.
And you told me about it. I wasn't watching.
Let me explain it to everyone that is listening so they understand. This is going to air. We're recording this on the 23rd of October. This is going to air by Monday. Now, if you're listening to this, by the time you hear this, this thing wouldn't have even been out for a week yet. But you've probably heard of what ChatGPT is. And right now, ChatGPT or OpenAI has developed their own browser. Okay? Your browser. So think the thing you open when you want to access something on the internet. Your Microsoft Surface or your Google Chrome, most people will use. Or if you're an Apple user, some people use Safari, right? OpenAI has developed its own one, and it's got ChatGPT built in. Meaning, anything you're doing, you've instantly got access to chat. You can be like writing an email. If you're always using the your emails on the browser, you can instantly be like, hey, reply to this person. And it's already read everything that's there.
So can I log on to my, okay, this makes it I think I was in a
Hold on. Let me continue on. Let me continue on. All right. Let me continue on for everyone.
Okay.
So I brought George into the room and I was like, George, come into the room. You're not going to believe this. It had been out for 11 hours. I was like, George, come into the room. You're not going to believe this. Come look at this. And he comes into my office and I'm like, check this out. And I had ChatGPT working on my computer for me. And I said, hey, go find George in the CRM and send him a text. And it went through the CRM, searched for George, found him, jumped in, sent him a text. And I looked at George and I was like, wow. And then George just looked at it and he said, I could have done that way quicker. And I was like, what? Like, how are you not? You would, hey, by the way, I've shown maybe at this point, it's been out for 24 hours. I've shown maybe 6 people. Everyone
blown away.
Has been blown away. Every single person except for you.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm still not blown away. Yeah. That's cool, but I'm not blown away. Yeah, I think I was more pumped about jumping on your trampoline.
You were jumping on your trampoline.
You were, dude. Like I remember day one when you said, "Hey, I've just tried this thing out called ChatGPT," and that was what, a week?
Yeah, and dude, there's still people. I get people now today coming to me saying, "I wish I'd listened to you."
Yeah, cool.
Saying, I wish I'd listened to you. You told me to try it, and it took me 2 years.
Just like you could be the new Gary V. We'll call you Robbie. We'll call you Robbie C.
V. Robbie C.
Robbie C. That flows.
C-double-E.
C-double-E, yes. Fuck, that's so good. Change your
your name. I'm gonna update my
your profile name.
My
Robbie C.
Instagram handle.
The handle. That's what I was trying to stick out.
Handle. Robbie C.
Robbie C.
You know what, George? If it's available, I'll do it right now.
That's fucking cool.
You think I won't do it? I don't even know how to do it.
I am pumped. Hey, I got some fantastic news. Seeing as we're talking, actually, before we get into that. So, I think that I was when you called me, I was fucking not flustered. I was just in the zone, deep work. So I think when I came in as well, my mind's still with numbers and shit I was doing on my computer and whatnot. So yeah, that makes a bit more sense now. It's an actual browser like a Chrome, like Safari. What's the one? Edge? Is that what Microsoft has?
Yeah, what did I call it? Surface. That's a computer.
The Surface, right? Yeah, Edge. I meant whatever Edge. It is. Yeah, those ones. So
who the hell uses Microsoft Edge?
Who uses PCs? That's silly.
Oh.
Does it have it for PCs yet?
We should add. It's only available on Mac.
Yes, that's what I was going to ask you because I only use PC. That's the joke for everyone. But so if you were logged onto Facebook on the browser, you could be like, "Hey, find this photo." Would it go onto your computer to find something? So like a file, a folder on your desktop, and a picture of you. Say, hey, go look at this folder and find these photos and post it at 7 p.m. tonight and put a funny caption.
So let me give you a visual that's going to allow you to understand how the world works. Not our world, the AI world.
Yep.
The internet is its own world.
Yes.
Okay. They live on the internet. They can't come into the real world.
They can't come into the real. Yeah. Okay, cool.
So the only way they can come into the real world and have physical impact is when they're coded onto a device that's connected to the internet.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
So pretty much you'd have to be logged onto whatever tab, let's call it, that's open on your browser. Does the tab have to be open?
It can open stuff.
Yeah. So you could go, say you got favorites saved.
Yeah.
Right.
So you could go and find.
go to this wherever and find this and
But
do that.
it's got full built-in memory. So like
Yeah,
it might the first time it might struggle.
Yeah, like
and it'll
your
be
history.
oh yeah, I know now.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. No. I know that now. I did that once, and now I know how it
Yeah.
works.
So you wouldn't use Chrome or anything ever again.
Well, no, I'm so close to moving everything over.
Yeah.
It's
Why
only been
wouldn't you?
24 hours.
Yeah,
But,
yeah,
like,
of course.
I'm so close to being like, well, why am I gonna like? This seems silly to continue working on.
On
yeah.
the older platform, yeah.
Yeah, it's like, why would I not?
Because it's funny. I was thinking
over?
the other day. It's like, what's Gemini? Is that Google?
Yeah.
So I was thinking the other day because I've got one of those screens at home. What are they called? The Google Home.
Google Home. Yeah.
Yeah. And it's in the kitchen. Just literally, it tells the time. And the only thing I use it for, honestly, is to set a countdown timer for when I'm soft boiling eggs. 5 minutes and 20 seconds, everyone.
But is that your time?
5 minutes and 20 seconds will give you perfect soft yolk eggs.
Are they come out of the fridge?
Yeah, out of the fridge.
Large eggs.
Large eggs.
5 minutes and
5 minutes,
you drop
20
them into
seconds.
boiling water.
Drop them into boiling water. 5 minutes,
and
20 seconds.
Do you put them into cold water after it?
Straight away.
Wow, that's not long. I do 7 minutes.
Do ya? For
Yeah.
soft? I'm talking runny.
Soft, yeah.
Nah, mine's...
Not runny, like soft.
No,
to the
no,
point
no,
where
sorry.
they're just not runny.
No, mine's runny. So the egg white is solid and then the yolk is runny. 5 minutes, 20
Okay,
seconds.
no. Mine's soft.
Oh, okay. No, I didn't do that.
Yeah.
I didn't do that.
Okay.
So anyway,
There you
that's
go.
pretty
5
much...
minutes, 20 seconds. If you haven't learned anything from 105 episodes now, you know how to boil. Boil
Yeah,
eggs.
no.
If you ever haven't George over for dinner,
Figure it out.
you'd be like, cool, 5 minutes, 20 seconds. George, I got you.
Just
there.
how he likes
Yeah.
it. So that's all I use it for. And I was thinking the other day, like, why the hell wouldn't they integrate Gemini into that so it actually has intelligent and
Does it
proper
not?
conversation? No, I think it's funny enough. I got an email notification the other day, and I think it's just starting to integrate it now. But for the longest time, I was like, why wouldn't you do that? Because you can ask it things now, and it's stupid. Like it doesn't respond like chat would, for example. You know, you can have a proper conversation with chat. You can't do that with Google Home, which to me was a bit silly. Like you've got the thing there, use it, utilize it, let's go. So, okay, that's cool. So you would use that. It makes perfect sense for you to be using that as your primary browser now and just running everything through there. Because
Yeah, well-
as you said, you could go downstairs. You could say you got a meeting downstairs. You could say, okay, before I go, can you do this, 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 and this? Go. And even if it takes it an hour.
It is. Here's just a disclaimer for everyone listening. It's not as quick as you would be.
Yes. At the moment.
Right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At the
It's going to be way fucking quicker than you eventually.
Yeah, but also let's think of, as you said, yesterday.
I don't think people are fathoming it can see the screen.
Yeah, because when I saw
Like,
it move,
think
stuff,
about that.
Yeah.
It can see the screen. Like it knows what it's looking at. It knows what's in front of it.
Yeah. Was it moving the actual mouse?
It's got its own mouse.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it doesn't touch your mouse. Doesn't touch my mouse. And it's cool because it can do handovers. So if it gets to a point where it's going to say log in, it can turn around and be like, can you log in?
Can you log in? I can't do
And
that.
then you can be like, but like this is where I think it's going to go. So a couple of things. Wait, did I answer your question?
Yeah. But so it's, and this is what I asked you. It's like its own AI agent then, isn't it?
It is. It's the agentic version in the browser, built into the browser.
Yeah, that's
so it's
cool.
like it can do basic tasks for you. Now, it still has to be prompted and triggered. So the difference between an AI agent we build is we can have it based on something happening. Do you know what I mean? So I can build an agent for you and that agent can respond based on the email being received, whereas this will only respond based on you prompting it.
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yes.
Because every reaction is caused by an action.
Yeah.
But this will only be caused by you doing something. So it sits in your browser, it does whatever you want. So you can be like doing something and then you can be like, you know how, you wouldn't use this much, but we use this a lot. And it's like you get stuck in a particular situation, building something out and you can kind of screenshot it and take it to chat and be like, hey, this is where I'm at, what's happening? Now I can do that in the browser. So I don't have to go and come back. And, like, you know what I mean? I can do it in the spot. I can be like, what the fuck's going on here? And it'll tell me. Or I can be like, can you sort this out? And it'll take over the screen. So I tested it
And then
before.
you can go do something else.
You can go do something else. So I tested it before with our web developer. I got him on a Zoom call and I was like, let me show you what's going on. I'll show you this thing that just came out, blah, blah, blah. Show him. He's like, what the fuck? And I'm like, what's a task you'd normally do? And he's like, let's go. So we went into like a back end of a website, WordPress. And I was like, cool. What's a basic task you do? And he told me and I was like, cool. Can you go do this? And the fucking thing did it. And it went and did what he would. I didn't even know how to do what it did.
Yeah. And you asked it to do it.
Yeah, and it went and updated the page title. So it's now it's like, hey, if you want to go and manage your own website, you probably can.
Yeah, so I won't need to pay someone to do that anymore.
That's what I'm saying. And you can go and manage, like update your own website. If you want to change some writing or add something in, you can go be like, can you go add this onto this page?
Yeah.
Dude, I even said go duplicate. Here's the blog post. Here's a Google Drive link for a blog post. Add it to the website, duplicate the pages they currently have. It went, duplicated the current style, added the new blog post in and posted it. And I was like, we just added a page to a website.
Didn't need to do anything.
I didn't need to do anything.
Yeah.
I don't know how to do that myself.
Yes.
I usually have to give it to my team. I did it.
So now you're fired, guys. Hope you're listening.
Yeah, so if you're listening, this is
This is your notice.
this is, you know,
2 weeks notice. Pack it up.
but
As silly as that sounds,
Yeah.
though,
No,
but you're looking at that aspect of what they do now, they're going to start to become very obsolete.
no,
You
they're
don't think?
not. This is where people are getting it wrong and we're thinking like humans. So this is what people's jobs are going to become. It's
Managing
no
the
longer,
agent,
yes, it's no longer the,
doing the do.
If you like that clip and you want to watch another one, click just over here. And if you want to watch the full episode, click just over here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.